Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 4th class students, today discuss about money from your workbook volume 2, page number 6. See here, estimate the following. Estimate the following by rounding to the nearest rupee. See here, 64 rupees 93 paise plus 46 rupees 28 paise better. Solution: 64 rupees 93 paise plus 46 rupees 28 paise. Now 64 rupees 93 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee is 65 rupees better because 93 paise is nearer to 1 rupee. 93 paise is more than 50 paise, so I have to take 1 rupee. Now 64 rupees 93 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee, that is cost to 65 rupees. Next 46 rupees 28 paise. See here, 28 paise is less than 50 paise, so I have to take 0 rupee. When rounded to the nearest rupee, is so 46 rupees only. So look at the blackboard. So 64 rupees 93 paise plus 46 rupees 28 paise. Look at the blackboard. That is equals to 64 rupees 93 paise is rounded to the nearest rupee, that is 65 rupees. Write down. Plus 46 rupees 28 paise, that is nearer to 46 rupees. Then add it. See here, rupees 65, rupees 46. See, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 taking, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So you can get 111 rupees. Write down. So చెప్పేటప్పుడు వినాలి. సో 64 రూపీస్ ఇక్కడ హైలైటింగ్ అర్థమవుతుంది కదా. Now next one. Next one, 93 rupees 37 points plus 56 rupees 68 paise beta. Solution once again write 93 rupees 37 paise plus 56 rupees 68 paise. 93 rupees 37 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee is, see here, 37 paise is less than 50 paise beta, so nearer to 0 rupee. Then you can write 93 rupees 37 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee, that is equals to 93 rupee beta. 93 rupees. 93 rupees because 37 paise is less than 50 paise. So 37 paise nearer to 0 paise. Now next 56 rupees 68 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee is, see here beta, 68 paise is more than 50 paise, so nearer to 1 rupee. So 56 paise is goes to 57, sorry, 56 rupees is goes to 57 rupees. So 93 rupees 37 paise plus 56 rupees 68 paise. 93 rupees 37 paise, it can be written as 93 rupees. Then you can write 93 rupees plus 56 rupees 68 paise, it can be written as 57 rupees. Then add it, 93 plus 57, 3 plus 7 10, 0 taking 1 carry, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 5 15, 150 rupee beta. That is equals to 150 rupees. Right son. Next 92 rupees 14 paise plus 32 rupees 88 paise. ₹92 14 paise plus 32 rupees 88 paise. Now first one, 92 rupees 14 paise when rounded to the nearest rupee is, see, look at the backward beta. 14 pies is less than 50 pies. Then 14 pies is nearer to 0 pies. Then you can write 92 rupees. Okay. Next, 32 rupees 88 pies. When rounded to the nearest rupee. See, look at the backward beta. 88 pies is more than 50 pies. Then 88 pies is nearer to 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is added to 32 rupees. You can get 33 rupees. Okay. So 92 rupees 14 pies plus 32 rupees 88 pies. 92 rupees 14 pies, it can be written as 92 rupees plus 32 rupees 88 pies, it can be written as 33 rupees. Two plus 3 5, 9 plus 3 12, 125 rupees. Hey! Now next one, beta. See here, beta. 81 rupees 74 pies plus 16 rupees 98 pies. First, 81 rupees 74 pies when rounded to the nearest rupee is, see, listen carefully, look at the backboard. 74 pies is more than 50 pies. Then 74 pies is nearer to 1 rupee. 1 rupee is added to 81 rupee, you will get 82. Next, 16 rupees 98 pies when rounded to the nearest rupee is, see, look at the backboard better. 98 pies is more than 50 pies. Okay, so 98 pies is nearer to 1 rupee. 1 rupee is added to 16 rupee, you can get 17 rupees. 16 rupees plus 1 rupee, you can get 17 rupees. So 81 rupees 74 pies plus 16 rupees 98 pies, 18 rupees 74 pies, it can be written as 82 rupees plus 16 rupees 98 pies, it can be written as 70 rupees. Then I reach 2 plus 7 9, 8 plus 1 9, 99 rupees. That's all, beta. ₹27 47 pice plus ₹70 18 pice. First, we have to take ₹27 47 pice. When rounded to the nearest rupee, see here, 47 pice is less than 50 pice. So 47 pice is nearer to 0 rupee. Then 0 rupee plus 27 rupees, it can be written as 27 rupees. ₹70 18 pice when rounded to the nearest rupees. See here, the 18 pice is less than 50 pice. So 18 pice is nearer to 0 rupee. Then you can write ₹70. So ₹27 47 pice plus ₹70 18 pice. ₹27 47 pice is nearer to 27 rupee plus 70 pice, ₹70 18 pice nearer to 70 rupees. Then add it. Seven plus 0 7, 2 plus 7 9. And get ₹97. Now next, ₹63 24 pice minus ₹36 78 pice. ₹63 24 pice minus ₹36 78 pice. First, 63 rupees 24 coins when rounded to the nearest rupees. See here, 24 pice is less than 50 pice better. So 24 pice is nearer to 0 rupee. Then 0 rupee is added to 63 rupees, you can get 63 rupees. Now 36 rupees 78 coins and rounded to the nearest rupee is, see here, 78 pice is more than 50 pice. So 78 pice is nearer to 1 rupee. Then 1 rupee is added to 36 rupees, you can get 37 rupees. So 63 rupees 24 pice minus 36 rupees 78 pice. It can be written as 63 rupees 24 pice, 63 rupees 24 pice rounded to rupee, that is equals to 63 rupee minus 36 rupees 78 pice rounded to the nearest rupee, that is equals to 37 rupees. See here, 63 rupees minus 37 rupees. Look at the blackboard. See, 3 minus 7. It is not possible because 3 is the smaller number than 7. So take borrowing from 6, you can use 10. 10 is added to 3, you can get 13. 6 be, it can last 1, 6 becomes 5 later. 13 minus 7, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. So that is equals to 26 rupees. Okay, better, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.